Body trouble me cause you not feel me war, you know it's ugly. Squeeze on pon the trigger, shot a bubbly. 9x ever doubly. Make a pussy chat, that no worry me. Lie about the case, come on, I'm on the G. I mean, I say crossbreed. From me see the face, you know, say Russian crossbreed, you know, I represent for the SWAT team, you know. I mean, I say, yo, Dr. Love. I mean, I say, yo, fret them. I mean, I say, yo, pretty girl storm them for no.
I need your big stinking clit that you forgot talk about. Oh, Anna, you want to wash out and cheese
Breaking news, aka Erica Plate Star.
Blood clot peroxide, mix with some Epsom salt, mix with some blood clot aloe vera. I put some cake soap melted out tonight and just slap it on for your blood clot crutches. And your body wall want some blood clot glow in the dark bleaching cream. Cause when any blood clot they turn off light, it only turn off light to give you a blood clot fuck. Me know the dolly cocky a go broke off cause the dolly can't go see where my blood clot go. I want to donate a clot to the blood clot glow in the dark blood clot bleaching cream for on your stinking body wall. Your body wall stink like big boss stinking dirty blood clot mouth. Your dirty thinking underneath panty look like dog puss dirty thinking mildew shower curtain. Then move your blood clot. Nobody did send for your dirty stinking Ochea. Nobody did blood clot send for you. Eh?
Diarrhea leg on mouth.
So how you reach over blood clot
You don't
here?
post about diarrhea leg on mouth.
I never blood clot tell us for one back over blood clot YouTube. So how you end up over here about so much people? Eh? But you come for done six so we are gonna empty you like a blood clot buckle. I'm gonna broke you up like a blood clot glass vase. You look old time chandelier yo. You look a latrine blood clot toilet yo. I'm gonna flush out your nasty crotches and send you back to your blood clot maker. Why you do it dirty earthworm? Why you do it dirty earthworm? I'm gonna wiggle up on you like how your dirty father wiggle up on your mama big stinking crotches do. Don't a dirty blood clot swallow feel ball ground. Dirty thinking Ochea you can't argue with nobody over here. All germs, all Dollar Tree blood clot toilet girl. You see your blood clot thinking crutches them stiff. You right now your clit supposed to big like ukobit here and stiff like blood clot ukobit wig them. I can beat you like the Chinese them beat out the blood clot black people them out of them shop with them teeth here. Move your blood clot, you can't chat to me. One cook up full basket so every blood clot you have I will be visiting you. You stink like that stinking blood clot big boss batty wall. And that me say, you stink like big boss dirty thinking batty wall. And that me say, that me blood clot say. Cause when me a rub girl, me no rub girl, me no wash girl, me tumble blood clot dry girl. Me hang you up for blood clot dry and that me blood clot do. So I don't know who tell you say. Me a
You're my friend more bad.
But Ochea go and go ask blood clot puss for me. No blood clot girl or boy can't cuss me easy for social media. If a girl cuss me,
I get my friend Bringle a play our vibe.
But I want answer you dirty earthworm because you come argue with my blood clot nice clean friend them. And I don't like that. So I have to come address you and go like you're fully bad. Dirty thinking Ochea, this is a stick up. Ochea, this is a stick up.
Pedia Black Beauty, mad. But Puss, I love it.
Beer shots fired.
Me know that she a try though, Tanya. We all know
I
that.
know me need to take a sip.
And I hope Love Sanders know that too, because this is his old video.
I come talk with our voice, but all of them are rejects. Big pussy stinking Ochea, you just come on social media. If you didn't know the issue with me and blood clot puss, and me left Puss blood clot company, and me mama blood clot Lati, and blood clot, me mama Lati, Tina, who else? Rub up blood clot puss like the dirty dog what she be. Cause she never liked me because too many find out about blood clot you go. She should have heart attack when I come tell the people them say that man name you go and tell your blood clot. Earthworm, why you do it, earthworm? You're in a every blood clot body mix up and you say you're shit. Why you not go back on YouTube, go fry up your blood clot ramen noodle, them and fling blood clot mackerel pan them and throw salt and black pepper and call it food? Eh? Why you not going back over blood clot YouTube? Go now have no more stop it now, but that's why you not stop by out the world and just the blood clot Dollar Tree. I'll be buy all of the Vaseline them, that's all the king are star, all the king men put blood clot wash us and that's pussy back together again. Move your blood clot, you have to take a sip for your dry crotches. Everybody, take a sip for dirty thinking, wash your dry crotches. Your crotches dry like coconut.
Sorry, diary. Me have to laugh.
Linda, my blood coconut trash.
We have to take a sip.
No puss a thief that one day tomorrow, you know. Coconut trash pussy.
Rock of PG. Clay for wash your
Lord.
body.
Then can fast forward the singing part.
Hi. Watch out, you dry like dirty earthworm. Dirty earthworm. Right and face the boat you want take life from a nice clean friend boy, you are very 6 away. Post the wall and about was 6 feet under we are gonna put you today. A 6 feet blood clot under the 6 away a blood clot put you under. And we have make sure black and cement and seal up that and little. I want a load and push it to drop in the two when we have blood clot. Come and stop you trouble. Get a barbarian.
It's an entire show. It's going to can't type all on the one.
Most of you don't know how to eat with a knife or blood clot back because you have to eat with your hand. Your beer blood clot back and them. Your hand them big na blood clot or big foot washer. Washer your foot big na blood clot. Washer your foot big like puss bag. Washer your foot big like. Washer one like party foot step. When your foot go na elevator, you have to turn your foot sideways to go from blood clot elevator to all your foot big. A elevator can't blood clot lock. Won't be until if you go put one luggage cart in our elevator and say you are going for a second blood clot floor. You would have to go carry the blood clot luggage cart first and try to take somebody to take it off, then go put a big stinking, put your foot big like right in the head, prune head, move your blood clot and that be top about that stinking washer, eggnog pussy. You can't chat to
No
nobody.
standards one know where Dan Lemon lives. Him lucky me have him address to send it on.
Out of your mouth it comes from. Yeah, your mouth
Who of them live over in Toronto?
thinking washer, you be a blood clot sack. You be a blood clot sack. You be a sack. You have to come off a blood clot social media. Allow it to the blood clot mongrel them and go on up to the pedigree of dog them. You never know some is a dirty drunk or earthworm. You never know some is a Leo. It's the 23rd of blood clot July my bond is a Leo. And we name off your blood clot head. While the earthworm are going to do a blood clot lioness. Where earthworm are going to do a lioness. Pussy while you're a monkey. Coming on my blood clot jump, I'm going to rip off your blood clot head with my pack. I rip on off and I'm staying on the blood clot tree and fly. I have to pick off the banana.
Right, Drew?
Come down for my little bitch. Stay up in the blood clot tree because any blood clot you swing too low.
It's Erica Diary.
Name off your blood
Fucking
clot
Erica
head.
under that page.
King Kong! Blood clot. Nobody afraid of you. I think nobody afraid of you. Every day when I come from blood clot social media, like it's a cussing competition. Like it's who can cuss better. You think me have time to cuss with a girl every day? I think that crashes. Watch out for me like the bum them while you down at the train station. I beg you $5 for putting on them pants so they can go buy one burger. And that me a blood clot about. I was at work. Some wire for blood clot nowadays. Me and nobody over here now got ever afraid of you. And you feel that you're there Canada, your blood clot here. But this is not a threat, this is a blood clot warning. Leave us alone. Because you start go down some road where you don't need to go. You take up people mother pitch down and put up whether you post some people mother pitch down and them some days like yeah do some things where it's gonna get your blood clot hurt. I'm gonna ask Christ, I'm gonna speak with nobody else. Fire so me talk to me. Expose my family to our social media, my nice, clean, decent family to social media. I'm gonna ask Christ.
How are you in there? Like she off of the neck when she on the flick page. Erica. She had the devil. I was talking about God, this, that. And the cause problem. Shit.
She come think she a clean and beat out her blood clot. I think I can post up my mama dirty girl or my father. Hey, I eat that Ochea. You think you could have post up to me and a bad girl be a coward?
What's that the one there correct people like nobody go correct your mama and dirty Puss can't spell.
Me that feel nobody and post up my blood clot mama or father. Me go fuck back my rich ex. Me go fuck back my blood clot rich ex. Think you all body down my blood clot more cause you have the blood clot feeling. You don't know that. Ochea any blood clot you put on and I don't feel like on a bad and put umbrella blood clot young. Make him blood clot tell you. When Sean and me in an argument, he pray for blood. Man, in the party is almost evening now.
Ochea
It's a be a blood clot, but that's the affair where I'm big thinking short, so them work at a beach. Because no panty can't fit him out of era and a blood clot you. Right now, and a fear but you name Naya Bingy and Bubba blood clot Shanti. Because your battle don't know soap and blood clot water.
yeah, you can tell a piece of video them put together.
Battle locks up. Yeah. Your body oil is a real dreadlocks blood clot rasta. Ochea me say go buy a lot more blood clot.
Erica and I have nothing better to do.
Clot body oil, cause your body oil drink. Your body oil
if you're black Jew, you have to make a new page. You can't just change your name. It's not gonna work so. You need a whole new page.
Palone mother look better than you. You know, see the woman look young and her breast them stiff and nice in a blood clot. But I like Palone mother nice in a blood clot. Everybody a post up look better than you. I'm say all when Puss look like a blood clot ginger. When him put on him makeup and fling on him wig, at least he can walk with. But you Ochea your heart to fix the blood clot. And in a night, man, if a blood clot fuck you, Ochea, and so come you get pregnant. And to all you love the blood clot, cocky Portia, where you have to pay down on every blood clot because if you don't go there and clean toilet, that the man they would have left your long blood clot time because you have to pay down on the blood clot, old man cocky there. And at the end of the day, you're not getting no blood clot fuck. You have to pay for the blood clot fuck because no man no blood clot fuck you around. Move your blood clot. A condom bust for you, the cheap condom that when the man go back. You know what
about admin?
Like back in the days condom where you get freedom a blood clot clinic. And that Ochea man gets a fucker and it busts for them and it breed her. Cause nobody now put for them cocky under you safely. And your man is a blood clot. What they call them people that will fuck animals?
I don't know what crown, but just skip over that one they tell you.
Why would your man go fuck a blood clot monkey? You is a bad blood clot monkey, Ochea. I am man go fuck you. So your man we fuck what? Your man we fuck cow. Your man we fuck any blood clot thing in the wilderness because him fuck you, which is a living blood clot monkey. So let's talk about that. Ooh, yeah, come aboard today. And through my board, I come back for you that stinking Ochea. Ochea, like me that said before, if me ever argue with somebody, more argue with girl we have things. More argue with Mrs. Blood Clot Thompson we have our things them. More argue with Blood Clot Rusty we have bust champagne and a cuss people. We have post of our kids them and she, oh, they torment her. Free Willy body, it will never happen. Cause all of the things that's not afraid of you, me no blood clot afraid of you. Boy, I come show the blood clot woman mother. I said something to one, cause I think I show up me and make right now. Yes. The woman now answer you in the malicious way, and you go stick up to the woman mother, to come show the woman mother to what? What that prove? What that prove? All when I know her mother. Clot, please. What say you look worse than one blood clot, rusty iron fridge? Well, when you see, all when it lemonade, blood clot, so you know then the squeaky fridge there with the blood clot cup and run on the back of the phone tab, long time since some fridge them. I say
They
you
look like this asleep.
what say your body shape like a singer blood clot machine. A singer sewing blood clot machine. I say you hook up and bend up and steer. Move your nose.
Erica, she a fun over there with diary.
All at the end of the day, you look like when blood clot rose a ship past under Kankaki. You can't just to know blood clot body over your some
Erica.
nasty blood clot that me say.
AKA breaking
blood
news.
clot. Say me we argue with blood clot gorilla because me is blood clot Tarzan. Make she be the gorilla cause me a blood clot Tarzan and me we climb any blood clot gorilla tree limb for my friend them. So come right blood clot out cause me a turn up right as a feel dirty thinking love Sanders on their fake page. But why you come right as a come argue with a girl like me?
Yeah, when she come on the page, she not talk. She's always playing something.
Move your nasty blood clot and go. You see, like when coffee stain up blood clot shirt. You can't just
I think them black
over
it.
here, so you like an insipid blood clot carrot you. Dirty thinking, wash our favorite crack up, blood clot Excelsior walker crackers. When them chewing a blood clot fish tea and it overcook. You can't just to know
Watch
blood
Drew,
clot
I dare Mr. Erica move your green giant bomber clot.
Listen, I can't even cuss to all my tongue and tie up on blood clot me. Wash out one jump in a one blood clot bottle with Epsom salt and Cersei and beard the dog. You frozen like dog. Wash out what's the
Rub, Drew, rub.
You dirty thinking blood clot. Wash away your crotches dry like ukubit blood clot wig them. You want a man to come rain for your blood clot clit. You want a man to wet up your pussy. You tune a man now wet up your pussy. That's every day the pan blood clot social media cause people. That if your blood
Watch
clot
dirty
and
Erica type back. I play the stuff them on the type back. When I like that girl then, never ever. When she was Team Dawn, Team Puss, I never liked Erica. Ever.
You can't talk to nobody over here say Ochea that me a blood clot tell you. Because you're too blood clot enough. I see people like you a blood clot enough. When you shit me I go flush you. So I'm gonna flush your blood clot today cause me you come for. I'm here come for dirty Ochea. Cause me a sleep and you now blood clot sleep. And night time when me go on my bed me suck on for my man with him big nice cocky and he right in the center of me and me sleep well good and true for him blood clot chase. When you are sleep on Ochea when you are your blood clot teenagers and if you sleep on one bed and I tell each other to go over, blood clot, go over. And me you come for, I could the blood clot me you come for. Ochea, when you pick your big old dirty thinking son Ochea, I could go down to that. Cause since you touch people parents, but me touch your blood clot kids. When you are blood clot feed for your son, big old dirty thinking son, you have to feed him with blood clot Teletubby spoon. And I feed him and I put on him pampers to go blood clot bed because I didn't know a piece of a nasty blood clot bed. You saw up flying dirty thinking bed. Let's talk about that. Ochea dirty thinking Ochea leg off for your son foot. But you can find a crutches so that you can find an next hobby and come off a blood clot. So media. Because every day it's up with the real on social media.
Puss asleep, Drew.
Like how we did tell them
I dirty Erica.
make you so ugly. Cause Ochea, me know when I did young, they never used to let you out of the house. You was and play with the kids. Don't ever ask me that question again, Ochea. You know you're ugly. You know they will treat you different. Ooh. We belong in the jungle. Yes, Ochea. And then
How
when
they
you sit
weak,
down in your
Diary,
house and
weak
used to people and you
bitches.
turn a big girl, this is what you said, Ochea. Hey, when I grow
Can
up,
dirty Erica about
I
Arts
will kill
Vitals
these human
cartel
beings.
about dub
I
plate.
will bring them down one by one for bullying me. I will send them to South Africa where I'm from and feed their balls to the hogs. I will be an evil menace to the world because they brought me down. Wakanda forever.
Oh no. I look though.
Up shows her dirty, ugly, monkey looking rascal. She's a laughing stock for Instagram. Run her now, man. Go put your face. Close slaughter. You want 2 feet of zinc now to turn a perfect stick house. Just dig one hole in the back of the people yard and bury your blood clot self now. I dig out the toilet and go down in there and come back. Dirty little dog. Diary bring you down. Now no old diary deal with your blood clot seal.
So that's when Diary was
about your
cussing
blood
with her.
clot,
Go
fool.
deal with your own thing.
Everybody bring down your blood clot. And you still
Watch
bury your
Island
blood
Punch,
clot
Rum
and
Punch.
argue with
You never
decent
hear
people.
Vibes Cartel play no
Mad
more
cow
than a dub
disease.
plate.
Everybody.
Damn loser.
Look, iron back, raspberry back. Diary burn you down. Eh? No breaking news.
Erica mad you. Erica not mad nobody, not that big giant. No girl when them ex-man come on live I bring them down. Can't talk to nobody. That's all me know. From your ex-man I come bring you down. You not have nothing to say to nobody. I'm sorry.
Dirty back blood clot diary bring down the nasty mouth woman.
Well, attention now come on far. Love Sanders are gonna name her up. Pretty sure Love Sanders hear them voice note there already.
There is so like a blood clot toilet. Why should I drop Love Sanders in the toilet? Cause one bag of rubbish that diary say. One bag of, you can see the whole of them is a mad blood clot people. Come off of this. Suck your mother off of this.
She start
diary.
black now.
When him dead born, suck a hood and come off of this. Dog shit back up off of this. Suck your mother. Come off of this. Name crutches, girl. Don't come for my blood clot like John Back diary.
Puss have a dirty mouth and a dirty pussy.
Don't come for my blood clot like
But very
like hot shit in
successful
your mouth.
bitch.
Be a fuck reaction. You make blood clot since you
Come in, bro. Puss, you're weak. Yeah, your
Go ahead,
people
dirty
them.
big, dirty stinking puss. Me not chat no fuck cray. You know, see me come over there so and rub on the blood clot comments and make on the nose and use your blood clot tape over there so.
Oh, why you
Dirty,
that?
dirty post, you know, don't know some me a page God. Dirty blood clot post. Move your dirty blood clot and go ahead, boy. You come and use blood clot life. Yo, the war nah come here suppose. And me a make sure say nah come here so. Nah rub ear for you. We are gonna laugh and drink blood clot champagne over this blood clot. Dirty stinking Erica, go wash your dirty pussy and carry pussy with you, cause from man it's in a blood clot beard.
Chopper see because dairy vice sound like all rusty nail. Dairy
Jankro. You know say what them a do? Them a use the tape of the tape what diary do. The light what diary they do and rubber and rub love sandals I use over there. Go away. Me just go over there go highlight the blood clot people them. Me see some of them I say, wanna stop play it no. Stop play it no. Go away.
Sandals, you already said blood clotting. And you believe say you do a good job, you make up your tack, pay fuck and chat shit.
Yeah, second page get blocked for the day. You know, say what the John Cry do? I tried direct war over yesterday. Direct it under your big dirty stinking old post. Dirty
like
Erica. I want style your nasty blood clotting at the night, yeah.
I don't like that girl, man. Biggest devil.
But
you know, say, yeah, them say them go for the tape of brush and them go for the one with direct.
Yeah, your name right here. And then a diary vice.
So them go dig up diary wall. Move your dirty blood clot. If Sanders are win your blood clot. Love Sanders are win your blood clot. She use the blood clot information when they feed in her blood clot head and beat your left, right, and center dirty nasty post. You know how long my feed her it?
Just like red.
She beat your left, right, and center. Me know she did go whap your blood clot. Yeah, right.
So. Yeah, no dizzy, una fair draft a diary for fucking cause love standards.
Right.
Weak ass people. These people are delusional.
Pussy no say every time she blood clot, rub out your blood clot with the information. She said brush. She ball out for brush name too. Brush save her over that blood clot.
If no cussing I go on a puss, I get cuss. Make she go away.
Dirty nasty puss, leg off a dirty blood clot name and go big dirty stinking girl. The girl not even beard now, brush her teeth from morning, you know. Drunk crow. When now see you over here, so you win your blood clot.
From B to Z, from Z to B.
I'm going to go over there with my fake page and get some more blood clots to tell you.
I don't want blood clot.
Dirty nasty woman.
Man tree. I love blood clots, slim and trim, you know. I love slim and trim. And waste of time. Yeah, breaking news.
Erica, each up over here it look like.
That's okay, make you stay.
Erica, each up over here.
We don't care. We don't like Erica. That's Dana.
Still rubbing her pussy because you know, no matter how many times she get on my name, I'm not just gonna keep having the energy for her. Like she can't have the energy for her. Where does she get so much energy working all them jobs? I just don't understand.
Yeah, walk dog, walk cat.
I don't have that much energy. I put my energy into my kids, my home, something that she don't have. Why she want to some dusty Britney and go?
Say if we don't need help over there, why not play diary vice? I want them idiot people there.
Because I don't got that much.
Over here, listen me too. We don't need the help. Don't play none of the blood clot tape over there. We not play none of the tape over blood clot here, so. When we are rub over here, so.
Why are you messing with bitches that have more than you? Love Sanders, I'm not.
I'm going to blood clot. You love Sanders. The vice note when Erica talks. When Puss talks, she use Erica. Puss when Garrett makes you play for your blood clots into that play over there.
You are very
just send everything in our inbox.
Suck out your mama. Straight in our inbox, me I send that. But you not play over there.
I'm going to tell you why. You will never get one up on me.
The moment that you dropped out them white people house and said it was yours, I realized from that day.
Cause she that wait pan it and me never blood clot, Gary. Cause me did want it for myself.
How old I am, I would never play them kind of games. So you can fool all these people on the internet and make it seem like you so educated, you so intelligent.
The woman have no blood clot. All this have no up. We just watch the movie. That's why we up with our popcorn, water and drinks and champagne.
I like how you. I'm gonna admit something. I like how you erased that voice note. You had one up on me, but guess what? A bitch never, as long as I live, ever have the ups on me again. But one
blood clot idiot. Puss never teach uno good. So they teach me good as a record every blood clot body. You know, so the woman of voice note can drop out pound a blood clot. And she listen me when me talk on my live and say, Puss teach me off record. And she take blood clot it in and record, you know.
You did
Fun Uncle Dirty Dog, but Brittany rub with the enemy. A lot of
times I just listen because if I call myself
no, sir, them people are weak, bad.
And even if
you see I rub over there and them I rub you.
You can't believe
you never have the time for that one day. But have to deal with them on the old diary. See what them I use.
I might ignore you, but obviously you want to vent.
I mean,
so me being the
money pull up over here, so
I'm gonna listen to whatever you say, even if it's not right. Bitch, don't be coming on this internet like you got it going on. No, the fuck you don't. You was an immature, scary ass, punk, slaving ass bitch.
Brittany, the wall on the boots are on and tell her her house look nice and she's doing everything right. When the boots are on and hyper up. When you can't use back that panel. You can find on your own material.
You looking for hype. But you need to address those deep-rooted issues that you really have behind closed doors. You taking care of all your kids.
Them American girl, I need to stay out of this, you know.
You taking care of your brother's son.
Like come with some Jamaican.
You're cleaning houses.
Oh, gotta move from the comments again.
You walking dogs for 2
hours.
I
dead.
Then you
Phone can't charge in a piece.
6 meals a fucking day. You got some issues, bitch. You ain't real. You trying so hard to be somebody you fucking not.
At 3:58 UK time, you know.
Ain't no way. You want to know how I don't got no rain?
Oh, 8:58.
No motherfucking way.
Canada time with me there, you know. Well, early.
If you know anything
about beat but tonight to that one you can leave.
A man that don't work, don't eat. But you want to be, you so self-confident, you so this and that, but you sitting up here working while your man living a fucking life. You not perfect. And I see through all your bullshit and all your fakeness you put on Instagram.
But I have screenshot of you, Brittany, over there, hyper up. And you got the name LS. So I got Brittany. I don't want to over the hyper up. I have screenshot of it. I'm going to pierce up my blood clot tomorrow.
Fuck about them bitches in real life. I live good. Thanks to God. Thanks to me. Thanks to my man. Thanks for my kids.
What part on the left, right, and center?
What I got.
It's too hot, Tanya. You can't go sleep.
I don't fucking have. I don't got nobody to fucking impress but my children.
Oh, 11 o'clock, yeah, 9 o'clock for me.
Think you is, girl.
Yeah, 2 hours.
But you got grandkids. The internet just finding out about your grandkids. Oh, but you so perfect. Why you hiding your grandkids?
I think Love Standard says she not are picking them now get no grandkids before time.
Girl, you ain't nothing to
Why
me.
She hiding her grandkids?
You are worthless.
No, but we didn't hear the picture said grandma today, you know, that she go in.
Yeah, we heard it,
but you cleaning up.
She said she didn't have no grandkids.
House. My friend
no
is
work
a nurse.
tomorrow, Lucious tomorrow. Good night.
My friend is a nurse
early.
and she just worked her nursing job. She don't got to do 200 jobs and she a nurse. Where do you find the time? My friend said she be so tired. Nurses work hard, especially frontline nurses. You a fucking lie. You're not a fucking nurse.
That's why you're doing all them 200 jobs to make ends meet. If you have a business, you would not be working that motherfucking hard. How you got restaurants, you got condos. Girl, you do too motherfucking much to be a nurse. Who the fuck in the hospital saving lives?
Larry, don't pay them the mind.
You deleting voice notes.
If you cuss at them, you cuss. Not love standards for sure.
But you big and bad.
Love standards. And go suck in the mama.
1,008 mate. 1,008 mate. Make it for me, babe.
If love standards try cuss,
I'm not going to do
it will look on her.
Because my man don't play about me. She 38
cold blood clot tape.
She do need to find a life.
But have you seen King Kong in nursing uniform? Puss is King Kong.
Drunk Erica. You can't even come fight a good battle. A tape you go for. Stinking Erica where the boy fuck out in the blood clot yellow house. Erica, you coming like a big giant in the yellow little room, Erica. Where the blood clot you gonna dig up diary tape for nasty blood clot, Erica. Germs the pussy, Erica. Kingston, fuck out your blood clot and run where your blood clot. Go away, girl. I'm upset now.
Bitch, if I just don't have the time I don't have the time to address everybody that come for me. She have all the time. And when she do come for you, she know your whole life. And she gonna make up some of your life.
So when them people up on the live, love it yesterday, I watched them from yesterday.
Girl, you must be on crack, bitch. You got to be on crack. Cause bitch, I take vitamins and sometimes I
and the girl I'm over there type her name, you know. The girl not answer me, you know, even though she up on the live, you know, she typing in the comment.
Yeah, Erica. Trust me, it's Erica. I know it's her. Me catch her one day, me over there. And she had the Puss I use her cash up and she had the only one a correct post. All of a sudden the real page Erica Sanders outstanding come and calling. Oh Puss, somebody tagged me and said, oh, you put up the wrong cash up. I just called to correct it, blah blah blah. Okay, I'm gone now. Then breaking news back. Type in like fuck off, you're not smart. It's fucking Erica.
Uncle girl. Uno wants to for stepping on a blood clot face.
Good. Please sleep.
One in your bed.
Okay, came off the others live.
You love the festivity too much.
What came off the other people live? Please type that.
But you know, see, I those where a diary vice wake me up. I'm say, wait, I want to go and say, diary tape them go for. Hey, I run, go over there, see.
Who's not stop jump asleep on them?
So please type exactly what you mean, word by word, please. Fuck, I'm in my 30s. The fuck, I gotta listen to what somebody else say and use it. Bitch, I got a mouth. Bitch, I got a brain too. The fuck? Send her live into her job just like she done to others.
Oh, yeah, Erica, paper blood clot soldier. Paper soldier. You can't use but diary blood clot life for fight to no war. Uno go away. Paper blood clot soldier. Uno stand up and fight to no war in yourself.
Never in a million years. Never.
I still like an accident.
You never see them start a typing in the comments and say, stop play a tape the no. Stop play a tape the no.
Show the American blood clot them at the hole and show the asphalt and share 8 Sanders. 8 Sanders blood clot. And yesterday belong. Them a bunch of voodoo.
Puss, we are gonna rub you out too. Yes, we are
Not me
gonna
there
rub out
again.
your dirty chunk yourself with your little bit of blood clot house nasty puss. Puss your clothes less at Jamaica. You're the worst. Somebody will go blood clot foreign and go back to Jamaica and blood clot not have nothing puss.
Coming for me like she don't know I'm a motherfucking boss in motherfucking real life. Love Sanders just
Eight standards.
Don't make it broke your vibes, diarrhea. Ammunition, them a look at them not have none. Them not have no blood clot ammunition. You know, so the woman beat them bad.
You need to chop off and roll in a barrel. You don't kick woman, your head want to kick. People chop off head and kick it. You're ugly in a
But me
blood
run go over there with my other blood clot page for you. Wait there.
Page God, your page never gonna get black.
Blood clot, you run up here. You know, so then you come with your big birds. Oh, and I'm not educated. Mogo.
Who's I call people uneducated? No, sir.
keep my fucking name out your mouth.
No,
Don't say
sir.
about me.
If I'm lying, I'm dying.
Stuff is a certain stuff. That's if somebody who can construct one. Not even one proper sentence. Nothing tell, nothing say them stuff. Then.
Shit hard. I like them dirty people.
It's cold in here.
We're still done. We're going to go relax. The dirty woman.
That's Dirty Nicole, DNT.
Rest assured. Man, you want to share bring down.
Nicole DNT Carpet Muncher. She one next one, I can't stand. Never chat to that girl either. I don't like them. No care who for team they want the pan. Never like them girl there. Fucking fake bitches.
Those thunder look like Philly in the Christmas.
Phone plug in. I mean, I hold this for too long enough, so I just have to listen.
Exactly. They probably put a camera in the house now because I'm sure people been sent the people to her file about her taking pictures in their house. They got cameras for your ass now. Now go take some more pictures. They're going to put your ass in jail and deport you like they deported your brother.
No worry yourself, man. I want to diary them all up Sanders and chain up and carry this.
No, we're not. Are you we're gonna chain up big fucking sour hog?
Fuck up, man.
Right. But me want diary them chain up. No chain up of Love Sanders ain't happening over here. You dirty hog. I get chain up. When new comments come up, me hold it up again.
Do the most diary. That is not that. All you blood clots. Blood clots.
Sorry, you guys. Can you still hear good? Let me know, please. People are fucking. I'm in a group shit. Keep messaging.
She said area destruction. Area cross is on destruction. You see. She give me an eye ache and an headache.
Are you a give with idiot dirty girl?
Oh, that's who that was, Kirsten.
Are you a get rubbed? Stinking hog. And Bigfoot Erica, she got for diary sitting and not even post. Dirty Erica do it. Shaking my fucking head. Who is this? Shaking my fucking head off to work for now with the handicap dribbling I work with. What are they talking about? Who is that? Diary is like a worthless cup that's good for nothing.
Shit. Oh God.
I want they want diary and everybody when them a call up their name because love sandals. Let's see how this. Okay, Brashy's back. That shit is too hard. Nobody not cause love sandals. Puss and her team them to go and
Mr.
cause love
Candy,
sandals.
me give up. Me go over there with about 2 different blood clot page a while ago and me can't comment. Cannot comment.
Oh my God, like these fucking people.
Is somebody text you?
Yeah, like the bridal group that I'm in.
Drunk cry use for over yourself ammunition. Go and have a call with name till we not forgot drink enough water over that blood clot.
He just gonna come and defend me and going on by his way.
Puss every day rebeat your blood clot. Every day. Yeah, our beating stick.
I wonder why Uno can't come. That happened to me on Fret Them Live. Everybody else a comment but me.
Yeah, me go over there pam about 2 different pages and I can't comment.
I think Puss gone.
She for go away, man. But she come and use her blood clot tape over here, so. Go away, Puss. Me eat you. And we not join nobody for cuss your blood, for cuss for you. We not blood clot join you. But you want diary roller. Go away. Because who want cause any blood clot time we feel like not on your watch. Big dirty woman, we not on your time. Boss is over blood clot, yes, sorry. Now work with your time. Now work with none of the blood clot time over here.
Diary. This woman need to go to bed. Look like she attacking her sleep and the cuss diary just now.
Eat her dirty blood clot a nightmare she gonna have blood clot tonight. Drunko. Them so fucking weak. Hey, it's a sign of weakness that blood clot, you know. But she run go for the weak out. Them weak out. When you better go stock up with blood clot energy drink and not rum.
Me say she soon get up in a couple hours and press live and still a go flop.
So the big dirty girl, but did want she talk out, you see, all me a type in the blood clot comments and a style or drunk Erica. Erica with the whole courthouse blood clot file. But me teach you a bay. Go suck your mama, bay in a that. And go suck out your rotten blood clot granny. Go away. I'm weak a paper soldier them. Woman beat to know. Beat to know. When you get beat bad drunk girl, me know you're good a day for your next phone. Cause you gotta buy a phone specially for come over here. So drunk girl. Me say she beat to the Erica show over here too.
Oh, she can't stay right there and listen.
She over here too. Drunk girl. When you get beaten left, right, and center, when you weak go stand up and fight on your own fight. We're not fighting a fight for no. A fight on a one fight on a week out. Puss nervous over this, so.
She can't lay down on top
Worse.
of you.
Drunk Erica, tomorrow me gonna make Love Sanders come beat your bad. Wait. Wait. Wait, feet Erica. She gonna beat your bad tomorrow. Drunk crow.
Love Sanders don't even call Erica name. She said that one. And then she will drop her sitting there, you know, say Erica she a chat.
Woman not even acknowledge her blood clot over there for true. She said that one. But you
Yeah,
know
that one
she
with the
beat
partner.
Erica.
Me know diary, me know. Dirty Erica, man. Me don't know where she come from.
Big dirty stinking girl with Kingston knock your blood clot off over in the blood clot room. Dirty girl pan the man birthday not even him did spend it with. Dirty girl when the man sicker in a blood clot hospital a chocolate you go for and think I did Valentine's blood clot the nasty girl. Nasty girl and the girl with the 6 blood clot kits come with the fish and the steam fish and the blood clot fish too for build up the man blood clot body. That's why you couldn't get the birthday dear. Go suck your mama Erica. Since you go for tape, Ireland, me I go make it more festive. Yeah. Me I go for blood clot Kingston Vice note them. Erica, since you use diary tape, me I go for Kingston Vice right now. Ireland soon come.
No, sir. This a live you have to save so Erica can watch it. Oh, God. Maybe I soon drop out. Come out of the kitchen, yeah. She fi send it to Love Sanders. Listen to Drew. Okay, I'm going in the living room, yeah. Oh, babe must be tired. He didn't even call me. Me glad him didn't call me anyways. This went too festive. I'm gonna have to let you go and come back. Puss asleep over there, terrace clad. Puss asleep on the people them. What ya? Diary, today you went live and was playing Puss live. Oh, it got drunk, girl. Dirty Nicole DNT. These bitches are dumb. They think people look and help. If you play their live and they play Puss live all the time, drunk Puss. No, bitch, we're not playing Puss live. We're watching Puss live. There's a fucking motherfucking difference. We're not pull it up for nothing. We are watching the laugh. Entertainment, hello. Fucking clown. These dumb grannies. One bunch of old granny. We need to go back home at school over Puss. Oh my God, the woman wake up and say shitty pot.
Them still look 8 Sanders. I go like yes, now 2 people I probably show you how to take it for gospel. And I big up your Robocop blood clot vice.
The girl wake up a cuss.
The vice where blood clot kill cockroach and the insect vice. You know, say it's a remote where is a push button.
Puss, we mean Puss not sleep, Joe. A regular thing this. Puss fall asleep, wake up and a cuss all the time. Years. She do this for. When they everywhere. Both Ape quiet today. Ape gonna work. She the pan night job. Anytime he ain't gone quiet, he must sleep right now again. If she tormented. Yeah, she fall asleep, jump up and cuss 2 times and back to sleep. I don't know why she don't just end the live. You want address dainty? Don't pay that carpet muncher all man no mind. Ask you know if you do a suck pussy. What rum puncher call out weng weng. So then do all the time, man. Company live them and cuss and then go nicey with the people them. Just cause they don't want to get black. What you about big old girl? Oh, this a shit house, yeah. That's what you. You want rum punch over there, take them on. Jurisha said Nicole DNT, aka whatever name he have. Part-time name. If Jew Turbo.
Erica, you go for tea up? Seat ya. Since on a low like that, seat ya, Erica.
You know me some no but hey, we can't hear that.
You're not here good.
No.
No, you can't. I'm not put on no woman. You're not here good.
Yeah, hear you better than him.
Yeah. You're not here now.
Yeah, a little bit.
Hey, tomorrow island, me have to go dig up my next phone. My next phone have a better recording.
Okay.
Tomorrow I have to go hear it, people. My next phone have a better recording. Wait there.
I don't know how you ever change.
Wait there.
The water was trouble.
Erica, here you rub pussy, ah.
Oh, hallelujah. Pastor Don, I want to give you honor because we have to give honor to who honors you. This morning, we're giving you honor.
Yo, ya Anna Dan. Go away, girl.
For the quickening of the Lord. We thank you, Pastor Don, the listening
Yeah, here,
to
Kandy.
the calling of the Lord. Lord, we thank you that our pastor is gifted in all area to cover, and to
You saw a girl a wicked. Girl, me not even gonna play a wicked tape no more, but girl. But you see, tomorrow, me make sure I spend my time and go for my other blood clot phone with a good proper blood clot rubbings. Where your man rub you out on my blood clot phone. Remember me tell you that, girl. This is a warning for your blood clot. If me I go dig up for your blood clot. Kandy, where you going to sleep? Yeah, at the church that my have. I church that my have. Dirty girl. Boy, you go for tape. Tomorrow, me go dig up Kingston Vice for your blood clot. I'ma feel like I treat upon a phone and make not hear good enough. Tomorrow I go and do some transfer. I'm a good girl diary there. But I bet them people that broke your spirit are going for your man Vice tomorrow. I may have it. May have the whole heap of tape over here.
I hope Love Sanders have them too. The drop out for Bigfoot, Green Giant, as the people them call him. I don't know why them I try mix up other people and them stuff. I wonder if I veranda Puss did they asleep on.
Me soon come. Me soon come.
Yeah. She can't even come off of the phone and go wrap up with her man. We want her so bad. Fuck. No, sir. You can't have to sleep with her fucking people them panny live. So like in the panny veranda, fall asleep, 3 a.m. and wake up and you go. Puss have no living room ready in that the house there. Can me never see Puss in no couch in that the house there for the 1 year she there at Jamaica. Just the veranda and when he lay down in her bed. No, sir. Never see Puss in a one living room or a kitchen for the 1 year Puss there at Jamaica. That even the kitchen floor we see. We not see no living room, no nothing.